Welcome to our Vidya classes. So students, we have learned about what snacks we have to eat in our regular basis, that means day to day life. But today we are going to discuss about balanced diet. So first, what do you mean by balance? Okay, balance means, students, we have to eat in same kind of food in same quantity. Different types of food we have to eat in same quantity, that is called balance. That is called balanced diet. So let's discuss more about it. Diet refers to the course, or it is a pattern of food that one eats every day. Okay, it is a pattern, we can say it is a course also. Which foods we will eat, it should be same quantity. Okay, different types of fruits or any nuts or dry fruits or vitamins, minerals, whatever we will eat, but it should be in same quantity. Then we can say this is the balanced diet. Okay, a diet which contains some food from every food group. Okay, some food from every food group. That means student, it should be come from protein group, it should be come from vitamin group, it should be come from the dietary groups, it should be come from the minerals group also, and a roughage group also. But these foods should be equal quantity. Then we can say it is a balanced diet. Okay, so in right amount, it is called, that right amount means, students, same quantity, same amount, that is called balanced diet. Okay, a balanced diet is necessary as it provides our body with all nutrients required to lead our healthy life. Okay, once again I repeat, a diet which contains some food from every food group in right amount, that is called same amount, is called balanced diet. Why we need balanced diet, student? Because we will take different types of nutrients from every group of, or each group of food. Okay, so why it is need? Because we will go through the balanced diet, we will get equal amount of the vitamins, protein, minerals, and roughage to our body, which keeps our body to healthy. Okay, so let's check here, students. In a box, some foods are given, where in each group of box something is missing are there. Okay, some missing are there, we have to find out and we have to write down. Okay, here with name the food group is given. Okay, we have to seek carefully and we have to find the which food is missing here. You can say this is the sweets, egg, milk, bread, and butters and fish. Okay, what is missing here? Here missing is vegetable is missing. Okay, here you can look at, student, rice is there, wafers, banana and different fruits, milk and vegetable also, dal also is there, chocolate is there. So what is missing there, students? Nuts. Nut means groundnut, peanut and other kinds of dry fruits are missing here. Clear? So now come to this group. You can see this is called porridge, curry, sweets, curd and different other kinds of fruits, apples and banana and watermelon are there. Okay, what is missing here, students? You can easily find out, that is called nut. Nut is missing here. So here also, student, dal, rice, bread, cake, burger and chocolate, milk, different fruits are there also. So what is missing here? It is vegetables are missing. But in balanced diet, student, we should take different kinds of food in same quantity. Okay, which help us to our body to keep our body healthy and strong also. Clear, students? So now we will go for next. Now we will go for cooking. Okay, in everyday's home, cooking is going on every day. So without cooking we cannot have our meal. So we have to, before consume our food, we have to cook the food. Some foods are there. Before going to eat, we have to cook them. Okay, so what is cooking is needed, how we should cook the food, we will discuss here. Mommy picked up Arman and Arju from the park where they were playing and took them with her to food mart. She wanted to buy groceries and vegetables. You can see in a basket different kinds of vegetable, fruits and other kinds of grocery and vegetables are there. This is their shopping cart. This is, we can say, shopping cart. Whatever they brought from the market, everything is there inside that. On the way back, children began to feel hungry. What food items can the children pick up and eat from their shopping bag? Make a list below. Okay, this is your homework, students. You just think you brought this kind of food or vegetables, everything from mart, okay, supermart, and suddenly you started feel hungry after reaching your home. So what kind of food you can take? Okay, so you have to list yourself. This is the homework for you, students. Now we will come to here. All fruits and some vegetables can be eaten raw. Just before I have discussed with you, students, some fruits and vegetables are there which we can eat before cooking. That means that is called raw material. Okay, we can consume this food before cooking. Raw food gives us more vitamins and minerals than cooked food. Okay, raw food always give a highly amount of vitamins and minerals than cooked food. Compared to cooked food, students, if you will have different kinds of raw food, then we will give proper vitamins and minerals. Some of the vitamins are destroyed during cooking. Okay, some of the food vitamins are there in food. When you will cook, students, the vitamins will be destroyed while cooking because of high heat. It will destroy the vitamins or some minerals also. Okay, so but some foods cannot be eaten raw, but some foods we cannot eaten raw. For example, rice, brinjal and potato we cannot eat raw. It is not suitable to eat raw also. So many cereals, pulses, meat also we can have to be cooked. Without cook we cannot consume. So cooking makes them tender, tasty and soft and easy to digest. It also destroys the germ present in the food. Yes or no? If you cook food, it is not, student, it is not bad. Okay, while cooking we should, the food becomes tasty, tender and soft, also easy to digest in our stomach. And while cooking, some germ also be destroyed in food. Cooking in the right amount of water for the correct time keep the nutrients in the food safe and make the food tasty. Okay, we should, while cook, we should follow these things. Correct time you should follow, and proper time you should give to boil. We should not boil too much, and correct water you should pour. So for that we can make a delicious with the vitamin food. Okay, otherwise vitamins all may be destroyed. Clear? So would you directly eat the food items you mentioned the above? So some foods are there, yes or no? This is, you have to think, student. We must always wash the food well, whether we are cooking it or eating it raw. Washing the food well is it the dust or germs. Okay, we should wash and we should polish the food before cooking. Okay, or before cooking or eating. Clear? So food can be cooked in variety of ways, student. Okay, you might have seen in 2-3 way through which you will cook the food, but there are some other different kinds or way are there through which we can cook the food. First one is frying, student, roasting, boiling, baking, steaming. Okay, these kind the types through which we can cook our food. Okay, cake, cookies and breads can only baked. Rice can be boiled and steamed. Okay, cake, cookies and breads can be only baked. Rice can be boiled and steamed. Potato can be fried, boiled, steamed and roasted and baked. Okay, so these are the way through which we can cook. Okay, and remember student, before going to cook the food, you have to vegetables wash properly, then you have to cook with the proper water and correct time. Okay, and you should not boil the food too much. Okay, half boiled food is good for our health. Okay, you should give attention towards that while cooking. Thank you students. Now we will go for preservation of food. Okay, preservation means student, how will we store the food for many days, how will you store without to spoil. So that is called preservation of food. How will you preserve it in our home? If we first time, if we brought many kinds of foods, at a large amount of food to our home, how will we preserve it? So there is some way through which we can store the food many days, we can preserve the food, and other kinds of foods are there, we can preserve many days in our home. Okay, without spoil. So food is a perishable item, which means it can decay or go bad very quickly. Okay, food is very soft and perishable, that means it can be easily spoiled very soon. Okay, so if we left in the open for some times, germs and bacteria started to grow on it. Okay, you might have seen, if you keep if you eat half of the apples, and if you half of the apple, if you keep outside some days, 1 day 2 days, after that it will become spoiled. So every food, not only apples, vegetables, if you might have come across this in your kitchen, if your mother will left 2-3 potatoes and brinjals in kitchen room, suddenly it will spoiled. How it is spoiled? Because germ attacked suddenly to this vegetables or food also. So how we can preserve this kind of food for many days? Food is valuable. Cooked or uncooked food can be stored in a used later. The process of protecting food from getting spoiled is called preservation. That only I am telling. It is a process to protect the food from the getting spoiled. Okay, we will not allow to spoil the food. Before spoil, we have to take care this, we have to preserve it, that food. So that is called preservation. Preserving food not only reduces wastage of food, and but also enables us to have a food prepared in far off places, including different countries. Name the electrical appliance in which food is preserved at home. You know, in our everyday houses, there is a electrical machine, that is name is refrigerator. That inside the refrigerator, we can say shortly fridge also. Inside fridge, we will keep different kinds of food, vegetables, chicken, mutton, and other kinds of ice cream also will keep, and it will keep us our food and vegetables for many days. It will preserve, because very low temperature, the germs cannot attack to that fruits or vegetables. So our food and vegetables we will keep in the refrigerator, that is called fridge. And which compartment does mummy keep meat and ice cream? You know, ice cream is a liquid part, we should always keep in ice chamber in refrigerator. There is a small chamber, that is called deep freezer or ice chamber. Deep freezer, FREZER, freezer or ice chamber, usko we can say ice chamber, CHAMBER, ice chamber. Student, clear student? Now these are the different method to preserving food. Okay, can, deep freezer, pickles, dehydration, drying. Okay, so these different method to preserving food. So you can say juice, pickle, mango pickle, and different kinds of resins and amia we will keep for to many days. Keep food in cool places. Keep food in air-tight and dry and clean container to prevent moisture, air, dust, insects, etc. from enter the food. Okay, so we should keep in a refrigerator, we should keep in cool places, we should keep in air-tight and dry and clean containers to prevent moisture, air, dust, and insect, etc. from eating the food. Okay, so student, I hope all of you clear about it. Okay, so students, eat well and stay healthy. You have to eat well with good kind of food and stay healthy forever. So thank you students, take care.